What's the difference between slide, glide, and slip? Slide suggests a movement of one surface over another in contact with it. You can slide on the polished floor in your socks. The door can slide if it opens like that, you know. You can slide downhill, and we also have a slide on the playground, so you can slide and slide. The key idea is that slide often involves a controlled motion over a surface, sometimes with force or intent. So whether you slide on a sledge or in your socks, you need to put in some effort to do it. On the other hand, glide means to move smoothly and effortlessly, often through air or water. So an eagle can glide through the sky, a skater can glide over the ice, a ship or plane can glide. So you see, it's often a floating motion without resistance, and it doesn't always involve contact between two surfaces. Slip is an easy one. It's when you accidentally lose balance and move unintentionally. You can slip on the wet floor and fall. So it suggests an uncontrolled or sudden movement, often leading to falling. In summary, slide, controlled movement over a surface, like sliding a notebook across the hand. Glide, effortless, smooth motion, like an ice skater gliding on ice. Slip, uncontrolled movement, often accidental, like slipping on a banana peel. Check out more videos in the vocabulary playlist.